Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position: white pawn moving forward in this direction and black pawn moving downward in this direction, and white is winning. So your job is to find white's win and how white should play to win this game. So guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. And to just log in, you can just post your move in the comment section. I would appreciate, I would just respond to every comment you just write positively. So go ahead. Okay, welcome back. So we have a 3 pawn against 2 pawn, but the king is too close and the king would like to capture these pawns. So what else should we play? Of course we have to move one of these pawns, otherwise the king is just too far and we wouldn't have anything to do with the king. So it must be a pawn move, right? So first off, what would happen if we push the a pawn, right? Well, now black would simply capture your pawn, and when you capture it back, it doesn't work like that, because this is going to be just a win for black. You don't have anything to do, right? So black would capture you and you can't even push or do something about it. Black is going to stop the pawn and win the game instead, right? So this is not obviously the solution. The other move is to push the middle pawn. Well, now what black can do is black can actually capture like this, and there is no way you can do. You may probably capture like this, but black would eventually get into your pawn and capture everything, right? The black king is just in position. So pushing this pawn doesn't work either. So what is the move? How about this pawn? Well, c6 is the first correct move. So how is this? Well, we are trying to capture the pawn and make a queen. So black cannot chase the pawn because we simply get into it, and this is going to be very easy win for us. So black must capture the pawn, but now in this position we don't capture back, right? This is a blunder and we are going to lose the game. Instead we push again, threatening to capture and threatening to move our pawn, right? So what is going to happen is black can't actually play this, because we simply take the pawn and go further to the promotion, and the black king can't do anything about it. So black now in this position must capture the pawn, right? So now here is the critical part. We have to promote this pawn, right? It's a must thing. This is the only chance we have, and we somehow have to make it to a queen. Well, this is going to be the path for the king, but now the king cannot get through its own pawn, right? So we can actually push, and black is going to waste a move, and black wouldn't get the pawn, and this is actually winning. So black is going to get left behind, and we are going to make a queen now, right? So this is actually pushing is actually the correct move, and if you try to capture, this doesn't work because black would simply get into the position and stop your pawn. And of course you can't use your king. Black is going to capture this pawn anytime, and even if you stop this pawn, it's going to be just a draw, so pushing the pawn is going to be the correct solution. So this is it for a recap. First we are going to play c6, sacrificing the pawn. After black captures it, we simply sacrifice the second pawn, and after black captures that as well, we push and promote our queen, our pawn to a queen. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.